What does the wave branch bring in experience for a more complicated system that we haven't even discussed yet?
Right. So you're getting into what you would call multi-source, multi-zone, right? So
Okay.
this is a matrixed system where you have multiple sources going into a single head-end device, and then that device is controlling what sources go to what zones. We do have a couple products that we sell currently from Atlas, known as the Atmosphere system. This is a 4 or 8 zone system that they sell. It's very, very simple to program. And this system allows you to bring in audio sources from multiple locations. Again, we're talking about the microphone at the reception desk, maybe the phone system where they can page the phone system. But now we can also add in a source from the TV at the bar or the
Mm-hmm.
TV that's in the main dining room. And you can bring all those sources into this main unit and then distribute it out to each zone independently. Now, from a wiring standpoint, it is a little more advanced because you have to run individual speaker runs out to the individual zones. You're going to have multi-channel amplifiers now instead of a single mono amplifier. They have 2, they have 4, and they have 8 zone amplifiers. And these larger amplifiers can accommodate all the different zones. So we'll go back to our hypothetical restaurant that we were working on. Let's say we'll go with reception area. We're going to go with outside, main dining, bar, bathrooms, and let's throw the kitchen in there. And let's also throw in a general purpose room that they rent out for parties, they rent out for conferences, whatever, right? So
Right.
now we have 7 zones of audio. So now you would have 7 sets of 2 conductors running in from the head end. You run out the outdoor speakers, that's a home run. You run the reception area, that's a home run. We have a mic in the reception area, that's a home run. Then we have the speakers in the main dining. We have the speakers in the rental room. We have the speakers from the bathroom, speakers from the bar, speakers from the kitchen area. Bar has a TV. We're going to want to run that audio back from the TV back to the system. So we're going to come out of the back of that television. Now on these systems, I can take the TV audio from the bar and play that on the bar speakers. And then I can take the TV audio from the main dining and I can play that on those speakers. Could be 2 completely different games. Reception, house music, right? Front porch or outdoor area, house music. Bathroom,
Yeah.
house music.
Yeah.
Kitchen, maybe the kitchen, they want to play something totally different. So they could have their own audio source just for the kitchen. So
Got it.
these systems allow you to multi-source to multi-zone. They also add some flexibility when it comes to these, rental rooms or these multi-purpose rooms that a lot of restaurants have, to where you can mount a wall plate that has a Bluetooth adapter that connects directly to the Atmosphere system, and it's super simple. You literally walk up to it, you hit the button, it wipes all Bluetooth that was ever linked to it. The customer who rented the room links their phone to it, and the system will automatically override everything else that was playing in that room and start playing that Bluetooth in the ceiling automatically.
That's
Nothing that the
cool.
receptionist or the hostess or the waitress or the waiter, the manager, nobody has to understand how it works. Hit the button,
Yep.
link your phone. Now they're having a party and they're playing their own music in the private room. So
Yep.
these are more advanced features that can be done with the Atmosphere system that really expand what a basic distributed audio system can be.